guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. And now you might be wondering, Natul, where are you? What are you seeing inside this car? Guys, actually right now we are going to the Colombia. Actually, there is a place and called Colombia. And right now you might have a question, Natul, why are you and where are you going? And actually my friends asked me to go along with this driver to go to the place called Colombia, and there. And actually in this car, back of this car, it has concrete, and this concrete we are taking this place to build but even I don't know where we will put, right? And maybe we are gonna put in the overbridge or flower, but just after getting there I will guys show you exactly where I will put this concrete, right? So you guys just keep on watching and you will get to see the entire process, whatever I will come across with, right, along this street. So that is that, please keep on watching. Okay, so if you guys want to see the view of this place, and as you can see, this is actually the mountain place, and actually this place is called the Mumbai city, right? And all around me there is mountains, and in between there is a track where we are driving our car. Okay, so you just keep on watching and I will show you everything whatever I will come across with. Okay, so by the way, here what this is called the safety cap, right? And it has inside, it has my shirt, right? So right now we are about to run into this highway. So now as you can see, you are going to see the lots of cars here, and you will get to hear cars honking always, right? A little bit. So now as you can see, this is the highway and Mumbai. Now as you can see here, it is a billboard and it has written Mumbai, Pune, Goa. And this road is always busy, guys. So now as you can see, there are a bunch of, not just bunch of, there are lots of cars going, right, just in front of us. So now as you can see, and down the below here it is the garage where cars are getting repaired, right? Now we are passing by this airport. So now as you can see, but by the way, right now there is no any aeroplane here. I am not able to see, by the way. And also here I have a poster for you guys. Do you think this road is very smooth as compared to your? And I would say this road is very smooth, and I am sure my driver enjoys driving. Sometimes you will also get to see flowers. And this is actually the bridge, right? Because it is the river, right? And now we just passed this bridge. And also you can see, guys, sometimes you will also get to see some flowers just aside of this road, right? Okay guys, so now again we are about to passing by the flower, right? We are under this flower and just passed, right? The road where we are driving, it's very smooth, not bumpy or not any kind of rock, right? And also if you guys are enjoying this vlog so far, so please give it a like and traffic jam. And now as you can see, for a moment, but it will start clearing. Okay guys, so finally we have got here to the place where we had to come right now. And my driver is calling to someone. Okay guys, so see the work that we do here.
See on the back of it.
And here as you can see this flower here in Mumbai, and it has made from our concrete line.
छुपे मार देते हैं। चलो
Okay guys, so my driver actually he runs out of gas, so that is why he is refilling his car. And right now I want to show you guys, there are lots of difficult work that are working here.
किसका सेट से बात कर ले
Okay guys, so right now we just had our lunch at this hotel, as I guys showed you somehow in this hotel, because, and actually there were lots of people in this hotel, so that is why I couldn't show you properly, and even my dishes whatever I had tried or we had, but I have tried to show you somehow a little bit, right? And right now we have just come here to the garage to apply grease, right, in this car, as you can see. And this is the car, and that's through we got concrete, or that's through we got here, right? And just after having a rest few moments, then we will guys go home from here, go home, and in the sense I will go to the place where we have come. And just after having rest few moments in the set of this tree or next to the garage, then we will go to the place we were before, right? Okay, so here you might have a question. Nakul, you had lunch to the Mumbai local hotel, so you might have a question, how much did you owe you, or how much did you owe you to the shopkeeper? So guys, here I would say I had chicken lunch, right? I had chicken rice, so for chicken rice I had to give 100 rupees, and the other one means, and he had egg rice, and egg rice for 80 rupees. So total I just paid him 180 rupees. So right now I think I made you understand what is the price of this place. Not too expensive guys. And overall I had to pay as much money as much I have to give if I have something in my own country. Yes, not too expensive. Okay guys, so right now I am getting in this car. Okay guys, so earlier I wanted to show you the board, what's the call of this place, and this place called Kalangboli, right? Kalangboli. Guys, so right now I just knew the correct pronunciation of this place, and this place called Kalangboli. And we are at the traffic jam a little bit, so now we have to cross this road here. Okay guys, so let's hit the road again, and this is the road that I have showed you by the way earlier, right? So here just next to the airport, this road is very smoothly, and even it has lots of flowers just by the side of it. Let's have a look at this view guys. Finally I have just got here to my destination, means the place where we are before. And now as you can see, I am here along with my friends. And right now, as I guys showed you, I had lunch there, right? So that is why I don't need to eat again here. But I will think about eating a few moments later if I want. But otherwise I will not eat it. Okay, actually guys, this is the end clip of this video. So I would say, please, if you learned something new from this video, I want you to please give it a like and share with your friends who are interested with learning. So that's all for today, and bye bye guys.